Welcome to the next topic, H, total number of factors. In this first video, we'll explore a formula for finding the total number of factors, and in another video, we'll apply it. All right, so here's the problem. Make a table to count the total number of factors of 200. And just to speed things up, 200, the prime factorization is 2 cubed times 5 squared. And all divisors will have to have the form 2 to the a times 5 to the b, where a and b can be whole numbers. Okay, so here's the table. I've got the a values here. They could range from 0 to 3. I could have no 2's or up to 3 2's. The b values are here. They can range from 0 to 2. I could have no 5's, 1 5, or 2 5's. All right, so let's just complete the table and then make our observation. So a and b both being 0. So 2 to the 0 times 5 to the 0 is 1. 2 to the 1 times 5 to the 0 is 2. 2 squared times 5 to the 0 is 4. 2 cubed times 5 to the 0 is 8. So I've got those divisors there. Now let's let the b value be 1. 2 to the 0 times 5 to the 1 is 5. 2 to the 1, 2 to the 1 times 5 to the 1 is 10. 2 squared times 5 to the 1 is 20. 2 cubed times 5 to the 1 is 40. Now let's let the b value be 2 and complete the table. 2 to the 0th times 5 squared, 25. 2 to the 1st times 5 squared, 50. 2 cubed times 5 squared, that's 8 times 25, 200. That was 2 squared by my mistake. 2 squared times 5 squared, that's 100. And then this one, 2 cubed times 5 squared, again 2 cubed, 5 squared, that's going to be 200. All right, so these are all the possible divisors. They're going to have this form. Now we're going to make an observation. All right, so my prime factorization was 2 cubed times 5 squared. Note that there are 4 ways of having this step, and there are 3 ways of having this step. So that makes a total of 12 ways. 4 times 3 equals 12. All right, so now let's just figure out the ways. Oh, if I got 2 cubed, all I really have to do is add 1 to that exponent. Again, I gotta add 1 because I've gotta include the possibility of 0. If I got a 2 there, add 1 to that exponent. Again, the possibility of 0. And that's how you solve the problem. Okay, so in this particular problem, since I had 2 cubed times 5 squared, all I'm gonna do is say 3 plus 1 times 2 plus 1 for 4 times 3 to get my answer of 12. So here's the rule. Find the prime factorization, increase each exponent by 1, and then multiply. So those are the 3 steps. And then the next video we'll apply this. So there you go, where the formula comes from for determining the total number of factors. And just a reminder, when we say total number of factors, we're including the factor of 1 and the number itself.